was...
Hi, I'm ReyRove. Today we're going to review some news from June 2 to 7. Let's see what we have on June 2. The first news, it's about Nuclei Helix VM early testnet launches. Let's see what is it about. So the Nuclei Helix VM early testnet is a significant development for Nuclei, a layer 1 blockchain designed specifically for artificial intelligence. So it is launched on June 2nd and it functions as a simulated environment where developers and users can interact with the Nuclei blockchain before its official release. So this testnet, we can say, it serves two primary purposes. The first purpose is user familiarization. So it means the users can experiment with core functionalities like transferring and minting tokens, allowing them to gain a deeper understanding of how the Nuclei blockchain works. The second purpose is developer experimentation. It means developers can leverage the testnet as a platform to build and test applications on Nuclei blockchain. So this facilitates the identification and rectification of any potential issues before applications are deployed on the mainnet. So in simpler terms, we can say the Nuclei Helix VM early testnet functions as a practice arena for both users and developers to get acquainted with the Nuclei blockchain before it goes live. So this was this news that we had on June 2nd. Let's see what we have on June 3rd. The next is about Everclear launches clearing layer for Web3. So Everclear, formerly known as Connect, is a blockchain interoperability company that recently rebranded to focus on building a solution for Web3 called the clearing layer, as you see. So this clearing layer aims to address challenge of liquidity fragmentation across multiple blockchains. So there are some key points about this project. The first, it's about the Connect's rebrands to Everclear. So the company behind the project has shifted its focus to a new goal. The second, it's clearing layer for Web3. It means Everclear is building a system to improve liquidity management across different blockchains. And the last one that we saw, so it's about a 5 million funding. So Pantra Capital has invested in Everclear to support the development of the clearing layer. And the last, it's about reduced costs. So Everclear claims their solution can significantly reduce the complexity and also cost of managing liquidity across blockchains. So this is what we had on June 3rd. Let's see what we have another news. So another news that we have on June 4 is Gnosis DAO spins off Karpathy. So let's see and dive into this news and what is it about. So on June 4th, Gnosis DAO voted to grant Karpathy autonomy by spinning off as a separate entity with its own governance token, KPK. So this signifies a significant step for Karpathy, a well-established platform that has managed over $2.6 billion in treasuries for various DeFi clients, including Uniswap, MakerDAO, and Arbitrum. So we can go a deeper dive into the implications of this decision. The first is the independent Karpathy. So it means Karpathy transitions from being part of Gnosis DAO to a self-governing entity. KPK token holders will have voting rights on the platform's future direction. And the second is a potential for expansion. It means as an independent entity, Karpathy can broaden its service offerings beyond the DeFi realm and also potentially cater to a wider range of clients. So this was a good news too. So let's see what we have another. So another news that we had, and it's interesting, it's about the Coinbase. So as we see the title, it's about the Coinbase launches a smart wallet. So Coinbase launched its browser-based smart wallet infrastructure on June 5th. So this new technology offers several advantages for both wallet developers and also users. The first thing we can say about the advantages of this project, the first is passkey-based logins. So this simplifies the login process for users by eliminating the need for complex passwords or seed phrases. And the other thing is easy access to Coinbase balances. It means users can leverage their existing Coinbase funds without needing to transfer them to a separate wallet. Another is potential for gasless transactions. So this could significantly improve the user experience by eliminating transaction fees. Also, it's important to note that this is dependent on developer implementation. Another thing that we can say is multi-network support. So it means the wallet functions across multiple EVM-compatible Layer 2 networks, providing users with greater flexibility. And the last thing that we can mention, it's about the SDK compatibility. So existing valid SDKs can be easily integrated with Coinbase Smart Wallet infrastructure. So let's see what we have another news. So another news is about the tezos. So tezos activates Paris upgrade. Let's see what is this news about. So this news is about the tezos, a prominent layer 1 blockchain that is activated its 16 protocol upgrade Paris on June 6. So this upgrade brings significant improvements to the network's performance, scalability, and also security. We can say some key features of the Paris upgrade. The first thing is data availability layer. So this new layer enhances data distribution, which is crucial for supporting various decentralized applications and future scalability efforts. And the other thing is faster block times. It means reduced block times to 10 seconds lead to faster transaction speeds and quicker finality, improving the overall user experience. And the last thing that we can mention, it's about adaptive issuance and staking. So this mechanism strengthens network security by aligning with real-world usage patterns. So in a sense, the Paris upgrade positions tezos to be more scalable, robust, and also user-friendly for developers and users building and interacting with the apps on the tezos blockchain. Let me see what we have on June 6. Another news that we had on June 6 is about Alchemy releases rollups. So as we see, Alchemy, a popular Web3 development platform, introduced a new project on June 6 called Rollups. So this offering caters to developers by simplifying the process of launching their own blockchains. So there's some benefits of these Alchemy's rollups. The first thing is simplified blockchain launch. It means developers can leverage Alchemy's infrastructures and tools to streamline the deployment of their own blockchains. And another thing is reduced downtime. Alchemy's solution aims to minimize downtime issues commonly encountered during blockchain deployment. And also monetization opportunities. So developers gain the ability to monetize their blockchains block space, opening up new revenue streams. And the last thing that we can say is the customization and value capture. So Rollups empowers developers to customize their blockchains and capture value in ways that weren't previously possible. So in a sense, Alchemy's rollups aim to make blockchain development more accessible and lucrative for developers. So let's see what we have another. We have lots of news. Another news, it's about the Fleet that we have on June 6th. Fleet Network launches public testnet. So, Fleet, a blockchain-based cloud infrastructure platform, launched its testnet on June 6th in collaboration with Polygon. So this partnership aims to empower developers to transition away from traditional cloud solutions and leverage the centralized backend infrastructure for Web3 projects. There are some key takeaways about this project. The first thing is decentralized backend infrastructure. It means Fleek and Polygon are working together to provide a decentralized alternative to conventional cloud hosting for Web3 projects. And another thing is improved performance and cost. So this approach promises enhanced performance, lower costs, and more decentralized architecture for on-chain hosting. And the last thing we can say is established user base. It means Fleek already boasts over 50,000 applications using their front-end services, including notable names like ENS, DappRadar, and Synthetix. So this was what we had on June 6th, and let's see what we have on June 7th. So on June 7th, we don't have any news. So we have a news on June 6th that is important. So it's about the Mountain Protocol raises $8 million from multi-coin. Let's see what is it. We say this news. As we see, there are not more details about this news. So we say it very in a short way. So Mountain Protocol, a company issuing yield-bearing stablecoin called USDM, has secured $8 million in funding. So USDM is backed by US Treasuries and is regulated by Bermuda Monetary Authority, which sets it apart from other yield-bearing stablecoins in the market. So this regulatory approval could potentially make USDM more attractive for users seeking stability and security in their crypto holdings. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, you can buy my support token on object.com, and also you can like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any opinion, please comment it for me. Bye guys, see you later.